Alright, welcome back to BoHa, guys. This video sucks. So I have a 2012 McLaren that I've had for 8 or 9 years. It was my dream car when they came out, and I never thought I'd actually be able to get one, but somehow I ended up getting one. And I love it. I take good care of it. I had the warranty on it for a long time. It's been out of warranty for a couple years now. And I never really had many problems with it. It hasn't been expensive for me to maintain until now. And I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this now, with now having 2 kids. And then this McLaren maintenance bill I'm going to go over. I don't know how I'm going to afford it. So let me show you what this bill is and what it consists of, and then see what we're going to do about it. So first off, I took this car on a rally down in West Texas, and we did about, I think it was 1,600 miles in 3 or 4 days, and 110 degrees, high speeds, canyons, fun, blah, blah, blah. Car ran great. I got it home. The air conditioning stopped working on one of the last days. So I searched around online, and I found a shop highly recommended by multiple people on one of the McLaren groups that was in Dallas. So I decided I'd ship it to Dallas and have the AC looked at, and I needed an oil change anyways from doing the rally. So I wasn't expecting a huge bill. And then the bill I got, or the invoice estimate, is 5 pages. So what they came back with was taillight lamps cracked, $4,400. Power steering reservoir leak. It says needs to replace the reservoir feed line, feed hose, $2,300. Underbody air vane guide broken. That doesn't have a price on it, so maybe didn't price it yet. Rear tires are low on tread, 4/32. There are 888s, so they're not super low, but they don't have a price on that either. Engine front cover seal. It says the front engine timing cover is leaking oil. $2,300. Engine mounts have failed. Engine has shifted. Tech recommends placing it as this time. $4,000. Rear control arm bushings. Rear control arm bushings are tore. $8,200. Service interval. So this would be oil, spark plugs, clutch fluid, transmission fluid, air brake calibration. Just that, I guess. That's all it includes. $6,900. Which is insane. Engine oil cooler housing. Housing has oil residue indicating potential leak. $6,500. Engine radiator coolant hose leak. I asked to have all of the old style constant grip clamps changed with new style ones, like Porsche users or something like that, because these always leak. And I've changed some of them, but I wanted all of the whole engine changed. $3,700 for hose clamps. Check engine light present. $625 to that's just to diagnose it. That's not even fixing anything. Passenger side front marker light not working, so change the bulb, $125. Wheel curb rash repair. There's no curb rash on the wheels even, so I don't know what this is, but it's $1,000. Possible oil leak on ladder frame split. Block hardware behind oil pump leaking. Zero, they didn't figure that one out yet. Ball joint boot ripped, replacement, $1,250. Front control arm bushings torn, $11,000. Fix PPF. PPF has bubbles on the front, $0. They didn't price that yet. Engine rear main seal failure. Updated flywheel needed. $10,600. Suspension accumulator failure. $5,500. Now these do fail on all McLarens. I think people say they last 3 or 4 years. I knew I had a couple bad ones of these, so this isn't surprising. The price is a lot more than my friends have paid for having theirs done, so no surprise to look at the rest of these prices. And that's it, yeah. So can you guess what all those add up to? Now this car is probably worth maybe $100,000, $105,000 right now, and I just drove it on a rally for 1,500 miles. Everything working, driving perfectly. Remember that. And they're saying it needs $69,235 worth of work just in general service. That sounds fucking nuts. Like, they didn't even diagnose the air conditioning, which is the reason I sent it there. And the tires price isn't on here either. So if we added, I mean, what are we gonna guess for the AC to fix the AC? I don't know, $2,000. Tires, a couple $1,000. So we're at $75,000 in maintenance on a car that's 3/4 of the car's value. So it's not obviously worth it to fix it at this point. Especially with having 2 kids now, it's not a good idea. So I don't know what to do. Do you sell the car? Do you auction it off? Do you part it out? How do you recoup your money? Do you try to DIY repair it for a lot less? Get a second opinion at a different shop? I don't know what to do. I know I love the car. Boris loves the car because it's bright orange. He hasn't even gotten a ride in it yet, honestly. He's only got to sit in it. So it would suck to have to get rid of it so soon, but I'm kind of at a loss here. Looking for ideas on what to do. And yeah, I always saw when I saw these videos online, that was it was kind of fake. Like, who actually has that much money in a car repair cost, especially for like a running, driving car, usable, you know. I could go buy a brand new freaking Hellcat or TRX truck, or anything. I could buy a lot of cool stuff for $70,000, or finish every one of my build projects, or save it for my kids' college fund, or buy an investment house. So there's way more better things to do with this money. So yeah, I'm kind of at a loss here. I'm just kind of spinning out here trying to figure out what to do. So if you guys have any ideas on what we should do, please comment in the section below, and I'll make a series on this video. I'm saying what we're gonna do and kind of follow along the process the whole way. But right now, right now we're at a standstill. Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe to follow along and see what happens. Bye.